I'm private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm currently back. So, So anyways, there's a big storm coming. There's like thunder, wind, rain, all of that stuff. So I'm not trying to be over here in this mess over here. You know, I'm not trying to get caught up in that in here, in this over here. So it's just best for me to just go on home with my family. So so I have my stuff already. Like I have my lunch basket over here in my cart over here in my little wagon. Y'all can see right there. So I have all of that already. So so I have everything that I need for just tonight and then tomorrow. So I pretty much have everything that I know of that I need to get together. So I'm going to go ahead and pack my it's an overnight bag that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack that and put a couple of things in there. And so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm going to put in there, and I'll be right back. So okay, so I have everything laid out on the bed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show everything that I have. So let's get to it. So my overnight bag right here. So I'm going to pack everything in this bag right here. So y'all gonna see me pack all that stuff in here. I think y'all can see, but okay. So the first thing that's gonna go in here is this shirt. Just in case we go to church or whatever, I'm gonna wear this shirt with some black pants, but they're at my house, so that's what it's for. And then this is just an outfit, just in case, this is just in case outfit. And then I have another outfit right here. It's just a little set or whatever, matching little set right there. All of that is on this side over here. Okay, so next we have bra and underwear. I need to get another one. Toiletry pouches right here. Okay, so they're there. So I have them right here. This one is my makeup bag, so I'm gonna pack that one. This little part here, and then I have this one for my hair. This one has my bonnets. A bonnet and a scarf in here. This one has my face stuff in here. And this one has my skin stuff. And I have this one that just has my cords or chargers or whatever in the blocks to go with them and everything. So that's what's in here. And then on the top is going to be my iPad. So that is going to go. That's going to go over the top. where the shoes go. So they're gonna go down here. One pair of these, one outfit, and then there's the other pair of these. The other. I'm only bringing 2 pairs because, yeah, because I'm gonna wear the Converse with another outfit. So these white ones go with a certain outfit that I have. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna bring an extra pair of socks, black, and then I'm gonna get some white ones. So here's some white socks that I have. And there we go. So it's just extra, just in case. And then I do have house shoes at my house, so no need to get that. Okay, so I'm gonna zip this up. And there we have it. It is packed. It's heavy, but it's packed. So yeah. This is where all my stuff is. So yeah, all my stuff is pretty much empty. So I'm gonna put this back in my cart. Everything I need. I'm gonna bring my purse here. I will sleep in my purse right here. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna bring. That's what I'm gonna bring home. So I have everything I need. So here is everything right here. So I can see it's packed and everything. I didn't really need that much stuff. I'm not taking my my backpack. I'm not taking my backpack because I feel like all the stuff can fit in that green duffel bag. So I feel like everything can just fit up in there. I didn't really need that. The only thing I use for, you know, to do like educational stuff on is my my iPad. So, you know, this is all I need right here. These things. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this little video. And if you want to see more videos like this, such as packing videos, whatever, they are coming soon. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna see y'all later, and I'm gonna give y'all some updates or whatever. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.